Felony.
Right behind it. Collision at east, collision at east, collision at east, back.
Hold on a second. This might be one of the most jaw-dropping moments caught on dispatch audio. Officers weren't chasing a suspect on foot or even a getaway car. They were after an ambulance, stolen by the patient it was meant to save. What begins as a slow, almost ridiculous pursuit spirals into pure chaos. You'll see this heavy emergency rig crash through a construction zone, shred its own tire, and finally erupt into flames, shutting down the entire highway. This isn't a movie scene, it's real life, and it's unbelievable.
Southbound on 10 Mile. Section southbound, no highway, please.
Already I'm trying to pursue it and catch up.
Receive 1757 from radio. Copy. 341. I'm not logged in yet, but I would help that. Units, be advised, there's a patient inside the metro unit. Patient male driving.
Yeah, C5 is trying to pursue right now. Everybody else, just position yourself at different points.
Radio notified.
Can we get an update?
Go again.
Can we get an update?
Westbound 8 Mile approaching center.
Westbound 8 Mile approaching center. West on 9 Mile. Copy.
If there's anyone near back, if they can head south, I'm back. I'll do that.
He's got a blown rear tire on the passenger side.
Reach still through center.
Through center. Continuing westbound 8 Mile.
Right behind it.
Just past Green Ridge Drive.
The Asian male driver left the vehicle. What's up? Flash unit, repeat. Can you repeat? On the Avenue. Happy 41 Avenue. You're unreadable.
I'm approaching.
In custody. In custody.
They're in custody. I'm having a tough time understanding them.
April, in custody.
We got the patient recovered. He's okay. Go
down. The ambulance is on fire. Everyone's on fire.
This wasn't just a wild call. It was chaos from the moment it started. A patient steals the very ambulance meant to save her life, turns a rescue into a crime scene, and leaves an entire highway in flames. You can't make this up. What began as a medical run ended with felony theft, reckless endangerment, and pure destruction on the interstate. Be honest. What blew your mind most? The slow-speed pursuit, the blown tire, or watching the whole rig go up in flames? Drop your take in the comments. And if you want more insane body cam breakdowns like this one, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell, because the next call might be even crazier than this.